Yo, how are you all doing, everybody? You know what episode this is. It is time to download the project file. I've made it all nice and tidy. Oh snap, look at that. Freeze flattened a few things. Replaced the majority of my third-party effects that I had in the project file with Ableton ones. So all you really need for this project file to work is, of course, Ableton 10 Suite and the latest version of Serum. And so with those, I think you should be good to go. Anyway, I'm putting downloading and streaming links for the track in the description below. So if you want to download or stream the track, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, whatever, links will be there. Like I said at the start of the video, you know why you're here. Download link, of course, to the project file is in the description. Anyway, it is time to listen to the final master. You guys have been absolutely amazing. Thank you for all your comments, likes, views, dislikes, and just really getting on board with the series. I had so much fun with it. So big ups and thank you for sticking around and watching it. It does mean a lot. Anyway, I'm about to play the final master. Here it is. Hope you enjoy and peace. Though actually, shit, I forgot to mention. The next track from Scratch series, yeah, as some of you might know, a certain drum and bass trio is splitting up sadly at the end of 2020. They've been a huge inspiration for me since the start. It's just like, how do you make those sounds? And so yeah, to celebrate 20 years of Noisier, I'll attempt to do a Noisier track. Always wanted to make one, but just been like, nah, it's too difficult. So yeah, since they're splitting up next year, I do want to celebrate their existence, and it's almost like a tribute to Noisier from this next track from Scratch. Oh god, it's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be so much fun though. Anyway, so that track from Scratch series I will start next year, early next year at some point. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Final master of this bass house track. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.